Things I encounter here at the shop. I got this Galaga set in for repair. Okay. That's an EEPROM. It's supposed to be a 08 custom. This is... I don't know what it is. Wabend. Anyway, that's supposed to be a 08 custom. This is an EEPROM, supposed to be a 06 custom. This is supposed to be a Z80, and it says... I can't hardly read it. It's not a Z80. This one is supposed to be the 51XX, I think. Maybe. It's a 42 pin custom, and this is a Sega custom. And this is supposed to be a Z80, and this is an 8255. This is supposed to be the 54 custom, and it's an EEPROM. We flip it over. Okay, you have the 05 custom. I'm pretty surprised that's there. This is supposed to be the 02 custom, and it is an EEPROM. Okay, that's a RAM. And this is supposed to be a 07 custom, and it is... what is that? Intel D8228. Yeah, so this one's going back unrepairable. Unfortunate. It's a not you know, I mean, it's in good shape as far as that goes, but it's just missing too many customs. It's missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 custom chips. It's missing all of the Z80s. Yeah. Nope. Yeah. So this one's going to get packaged back up and sent back. Unrepairable. And I'm going to advise the owner of this to buy a working Galaga set and keep this for what customs there are and EEPROMs and whatnot, just as a backup. Maybe they can put some good customs on this board. Who knows? But yeah, this one's not repairable, so a little something for you guys.